welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be testing, reviewing and swatching this palette from Vani Cosmetics. These are pressed glitters that doesn't need any glue, so it's gonna be interesting. So let's get started. I got to know about this brand via I think an advert on Facebook. So, and I love glitters. If you ever saw any of my videos, you know, like I love glitters. But you know, glitters are messy, and so the fact that they have the glue in them, it makes them like more special. These glitters are said to be cruelty-free, vegan and affordable, and also they are made in Canada. So I got this palette, and regarding affordability, I mean, this cost me like 50 euros, so not that affordable, but they look nice. And I feel like they're gonna last you a long time. Can you see how shiny they are? So I'm gonna start by swatching them on my hands. So I'm gonna start from here to just put my finger in one. And they're very soft. I feel like if you pat them, it would be better. And I think I need a wipe to wipe my finger after each one. Okay, so that's the first one. Now, after I'm swiping, I'm noticing that there's a lot more left on my hand. So I don't know if the best way to put them on is by doing your finger. Maybe there's a better way. Okay, so that's the first row. I'm gonna do the second one. This one is it shows blue in the pan, but now it looks more like purple. Oh yeah, and when I move my hand, you can see. I feel like I'm gonna be glistening all day. Look how much there's left on my hand. I feel like I'm wasting it. So, I think I need to find another place. Maybe I do here now, because I'm full. But I have hair here. Wow, it's very nice. Although I don't love to apply silver glitter, to be honest. I prefer gold, but it's a very nice silver one. I'm excited for this one. I love rose gold. I think they're almost like blending better on my hand over here. Oh, this is a lovely pink. Oh, nice. And the last one. This is like a black gold. So I'm gonna show you all the swatches again. So you can see the first one, I wasn't like so confident with it, but then the last five, like they look better in terms of swatches. So I'm gonna clean my hand and I'm going to apply them on my eyes. Okay, I'm back. So I was going to apply my foundation like before applying the glitters, but just in case there's any residue, you know, I'd rather cover it with foundation. So I think I forgot to tell you that the palette comes in this box, not directly like this. So on the back of the palette there is no like names or stuff like that. I don't know which shades these are, so I'm gonna just apply some concealer as base. And this is the concealer that I'm currently liking from Astra. Wait, because I need my mirror, because I need to see nothing. Okay, so I have this Sephora palette that I've been gifted, and I'm gonna play with it and then see what I can create. because you need some base of eyeshadow like before putting any glitter, I guess. I don't want to get the glitter basically too close to my eyes, just because it says here that you can see it, but it says warning, not for use in the eye area. So okay, I don't want to do anything too complicated, so I'm gonna do one eye using my finger, and then on the other eye I will use a brush, so then we compare which side works best. All right, so I'm really intrigued to use either this one or this one, but I'm going for the one that has some pink in it, this much. I'm gonna tap it instead of like pulling it, because maybe it won't deposit as much as I want. I still have on my hand. So I'm gonna try to blend a little bit the edges so it's not so rough, to see how it blends as well. Obviously it looks pretty on the eye. I'm gonna do the other eye, see how it performs on the other eye with the brush. And you know why I'm testing this? Because I do makeup on clients, and you know, if I don't really like to use my finger on their eyelids, because some people are more sensitive than others, and it's not a nice feeling. So I would avoid it if I could. I'm gonna use a flat brush. You always have to use a flat brush with glitters regardless of the brand. Okay, so I'm trying to pick up and barely anything is coming up. Okay, I finally got something. Don't want to do too much, so let's see. So it didn't spread, and it's not like spreading, it's like rubbing off with the brush itself. I'd rather use fingers for the better application, because the tapping motion, unless I feel like there's an applicator, there is a particle applicator which resembles the texture of a finger. I don't think I have one of those. If I do, I don't know where it is, but I think that will work. Honestly, it's really pretty. It's really pretty if you use your fingers though. Please don't get in my eye. Okay, as I said, I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. Like, they're all the same texture, so it's not like I'm gonna need to try them all. Every color is pretty, that's for sure. Now what I'm gonna test is to see if I do like a liquid eyeliner, if it's going to pill with it, or if it's going to run smoothly on it. I have this MCO Beauty. This is what I usually use for a day-to-day basis. And I'm gonna see if I could do a winged liner. Bad. I did get a few glitters on the liner, which is not something I would like, but I don't think that's the glitter's fault. Kind of, it's more maybe I should have used a different kind of liner. Gonna do the other eye. Why do I never get them the same? They're not the same. That's fine. It's not fine. More similar. Okay, have to be good. All right, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. I got glitter on my mouth, but I'm surprised that there's no fallout. Like, literally none. Or maybe there's a bit, I don't know. But the one I did with my finger, there's literally nothing. The one I did with the brush, there is a tiny bit, but it's really nothing that can be cleaned, but there is a tiny bit. So I would definitely just use the fingers. eyebrows just make so much difference. I actually got this yesterday, foundation stick. This is from Essence. I don't know how I feel about it. This smells good. It's like, it has like a fruity smell. This is how I'm doing the makeup, like right now, like my routine. It's not a routine, but I put the lightest shade where it needs to be and the darkest shade, like the bronzer where I want it, rather than like a bunch of layers on top of each other. Like this way I have less layers on the face and feels less cakey. And like everything gets blended into each other anyway. By the way, this is the Essence Multitask Concealer Erase, Cover and Care. I actually got this for free and an Easter egg, like Essence Easter egg. So if you have it, you gotta use it. I love this concealer. It dries matte, you don't need to set it. It blends really nice. The fact that it dries so quick, it doesn't crease as much. So yeah. Mascara. Oh, what's left out? I'm not gonna do any false lashes. I know they would look nicer, but I'm gonna remove this makeup anyway. If anyone wondering, these are contact lenses. If you're new to my channel. If not, you know. I wish they were mine because I really like this color. And so far I'm not feeling any like tingling or irritation to my eyes, because sometimes I do get that immediately. This is also from Essence. It's the matte bronzing powder. Just to add a little bit of a, you know, structure. This is my all-time favorite highlighter. I've had it for years. It's the BYS Highlighting Trio. You can see how old it is, right? But it's so good. They're so buttery even after all these years. Even the matte shade in it, love it. And I don't know if they still sell it, to be honest. Lip liner, and this is almost finished as well. This is from Catrice Plumping Lip Liner. I don't want to make too much. I can't make too much because it's finished. Gonna switch on to another color. This is from Essence Rosy Nude, which recently I really like. It's a little lighter though than the other one, more natural. I need some gloss. This is from Revolution, probably discontinued. This is the final look. So I love how the makeup turned out. Don't know if you could see how shiny it is. It's lovely. So what do I think about these glitters? Overall, they look amazing. They're great. If you're gonna buy them for yourself, go ahead, buy them. They're lovely, they're not heavy on the eye, they don't fall out. However, be careful when it's time to remove them, like, because you can just like smear it on your eyes, and it could be dangerous. You could potentially go blind. These glitters are not eye safe, so that's the only warning I can give you. I'm not saying anything special, it's even written on the product itself. And for that reason, I won't be using it on my clients unless they are experienced with glitters and they know how to remove them properly. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do want to see more product reviews, please hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing. That's how you will tell me that I want more of this kind of video. So yeah, till the next time. Bye. I was actually about to remove the makeup. I remember like show them like how it's best to be removed to be safe, and in fact it started one. So with a clean wipe, start from the inside and make some pressure and go outside. Don't go down, so all the glitters are stuck there. And one for each eye, and if you have a lot, change the wipes. Do not keep using the same one. And up. If there's a little bit, like, don't stress about it. It will go away with water into the other eye. And if you have your lenses like I do, wash your hands first and then remove them. So glitters are gone, and enjoy your glitters.